Good afternoon. My name is Christopher Frazier, and today we'll be talking about the security program roadmap. So, what we'll be talking about today: purpose and justification, technological literacy skills, the roadmap, IT systems maintenance, practices and frameworks, fundamental security design, common security failures, and monitor and control. Starting with our purpose and justification, so the main objective is to establish a secure network through the implementation of various security features, policies, and regulations. The reason why we're wanting to do this is through the increase of negative trends such as financial loss, outdated training, and lack of awareness. So next, technological literacy skills. These are some skills that are important for any technician or administrator to have within the environment. Starting first, just information systems architecture knowledge, knowledge on system hardening techniques, various operating systems, how internet protocols work, certain network topology designs, and a generalized cyber awareness. Starting with the roadmap, first we need to identify, so locate deficiencies, vulnerabilities, any other weaknesses within the network. Next, you want to plan, so conduct training, define objectives, and begin purchasing any software or hardware required. Next, you want to start implementing the change, so begin installation and conduct initial scans. Observe, see if the changes, how well they're working, how well they're functioning within the network. See if there's anything else that needs to be worked on or changed. And then lastly, maintain. So document progress, conduct audits, and just preserve the network at that point. So next, IT system maintenance. Maintenance procedures include routine software updates and patches, conducting performance monitoring, identifying potential vulnerabilities, and performing audits and penetration testing. And how to tell how well these are working is you can measure the time taken to detect the threats, the amount of the average response time, so how long it takes to address these threats and fix them. And lastly, the number of incidents occurring over a certain amount of time. So next, practices and frameworks. Some important IT frameworks include Information Technology Infrastructure Library, the control objectives for information and related technologies, and the NIST cybersecurity frameworks. And then some of the benefits of utilizing these frameworks includes optimized IT response time, improved resource utilization, it reduces service fees, and it promotes awareness with cooperation within the work centers. So next, fundamental security design. Some of the key principles include least privilege, defense in depth, and separation of duties. Least privilege is going to be the restriction of access to sensitive information or data. Defense in depth is utilizing firewalls, access controls, and intrusion prevention systems. And lastly, separation of duties is ensuring that users only have access to the resources required to complete their tasks. Next, some common security failures include poorly configured security systems, insider threats, social engineering or phishing attempts, outdated software, and lack of training and awareness. And lastly, for monitor and control, so it's important to establish clear objectives and policies. You want to utilize network monitoring tools such as Wireshark or SolarWinds. They can be used to kind of help see the nature of the network, things that need to be changed or improved upon. You want to collect that information, and then next you want to start implementing some of the change controls. You can still utilize monitoring tools as you're implementing these changes just to see what's being affected. And then performing routine audits and compliance checks. And then lastly, you just want to maintain the new installation and policies. All right, thank you.